Today I will be discussing an operating system alternative for Taters Inc., who is looking to upgrade their systems to something other than Windows. Windows 10 may be an upgrade alternative, however, Windows 10 does cause some issues. For instance, Windows 10 has a tendency to automatically install updates and then restart even if the user is in the middle of a task. This can cause loss of data. Also, Windows 10 has frequent pop-ups. A lot of times, these are pop-ups to get the user to buy a newer version of Microsoft software. This can be frustrating, especially if the user is not looking to upgrade their software. I would like to tell you about an operating system called Elementary, a fast and open replacement for Windows and Mac OS. Elementary is available for free, but the developers appreciate any donations. It is a Linux-based operating system. It is extremely user-friendly without the usual confusion that comes with Linux. Elementary is very lightweight. The recommended system specifications include an Intel i3 or comparable dual-core 64-bit processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 15 GB of disk space. This is a list of the existing computer systems within Taters Inc. As you can see, all except for the computers in the Facilities and Maintenance Department are currently running 64-bit processors. Every computer has more than enough RAM and more than enough hard drive space. The Elementary operating system can be downloaded from elementary.io. Installation for the Elementary operating system is very quick and easy. It took less than half an hour to set up the operating system on my computer. I liked how there was very little user interaction necessary other than setting the time zone, setting a username, and setting a password that would be later used to log on to the computer. Basically, you could just start the installation, and once you entered a little bit of information, it could complete it on its own without any more interaction from the user. I will now demonstrate how the Elementary operating system works. I will be showing you some applications that can be added to the operating system to make it even more helpful for users. Elementary is a very clean operating system. The dock on the bottom of the screen replaces desktop shortcuts. Frequently used programs can be docked here to make them easy to access. There is also an application menu at the top left-hand side of the screen where applications can be found. They can be viewed in either grid mode or category mode. Docking an application is as simple as right-clicking on it and clicking Add to Dock. Removing it from the dock is just as simple. Right-click and click Keep in Dock. Elementary comes with a web browser pre-installed. It's called Epiphany, and it's really easy to use. It has the same features as web browsers that users are used to in Windows. It also has bookmarks. And keeps track of your most viewed websites. It comes pre-installed with a program for email that's simply called Mail. It too has all the features of other email applications that people are used to, including replying to and forwarding email with the touch of a button. Composing email is just as simple. You can minimize the application by pressing its picture on the dock. Another useful application that comes pre-installed in Elementary is called Scratch. It works just like the Notepad application in Windows. It's perfect for taking quick notes that you're not really worried about formatting. You also have the calculator that's pre-installed, and calculators are always useful. There are a lot of free applications that are available to download. The first of which I'm going to talk about is LibreOffice Impress. This is basically a program that works just like Microsoft's PowerPoint, and you can make PowerPoint presentations. You can also open existing PowerPoint files in LibreOffice Impress. There is also LibreOffice Writer, which is similar to Microsoft Word. The great thing about it is that you can open Microsoft Word documents with LibreWriter. This is a sample one. And they open fine with no formatting issues. You can also get LibreOffice Calc, which is basically the same thing as Microsoft Excel. And again, you can open Microsoft Excel documents in this program. And again, it keeps the formatting for the document that you saved. One more neat feature that exists in Elementary is the ability to have multitasking view. So if you're working with a LibreOffice Writer document in this window and you wanted to use another view to do a different document, you would just click the multitasking view button and go to a new desktop. And in there you could open other applications. That way you could have multiple applications open without crowding your desktop. And you can make as many as you need. Employees would also be able to use Elementary to connect to Windows file servers. If you bring up the file system, there is an option to connect to server. You just enter the information, and then you're able to connect to Windows servers. Another interesting feature that's available on the Elementary operating system is the ability to set up hot corners. Basically, this means when your mouse moves to a certain corner of the screen, certain things will happen. I have this one set for the top left corner minimizes the current window, the bottom left corner shows you multitasking view, and the top right corner shows all windows. It is possible to set custom commands that will make the corners do specific things that the user wants. So just to demonstrate, top left corner minimizes current window, bottom left corner shows multi-view, and top right corner shows all windows that we have open. Elementary would be a great replacement for Windows. It is easy to use, so employees would need very little training to be able to convert to Elementary. The only issue may be the 26 computers in the Facilities and Maintenance Department that do not have 64-bit processors. They would have to be upgraded because Elementary requires 64-bit processors to run. Since the company will be saving money on operating system and the software, it may be an expense they are willing to pay for. I hope you have found this video helpful and that I have been able to show the Elementary operating system as a viable upgrade option. Thank you for watching.